Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. We are going to make a delicious fried zucchini sauteed in a pan with dill as a side dish. This is only one zucchini for me and my husband. It's not that much, but you can make as much as you need for your family. This is a delicious meal, and let's get started. Great vegetable side dish. So first, I coat the pan with olive oil. So I like to put them in the pan like this. Get them as close to not touching as you possibly can so that all of the bottoms of the zucchini are touching the pan so that they heat evenly. Okay, for seasoning, we're going to use my Thrive Chef's Choice, which it's a variety of different seasonings, which is absolutely wonderful, and Watkins pepper. Best black pepper. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. It's the no sneeze pepper as well, you guys. This is amazing. So we're also going to be using some dill weed. Now, I have my own dill weed, but this is more finer than mine is. Mine, it has pieces in it, so I'm just going to use this one tonight because it is almost 9 o'clock at night. We're eating really late, and I'm making fried chicken and zucchini, and then we're going to be making smashed potatoes, which is another video, so stay tuned for that one. Okay, so our zucchini are heating up in the pan, and as they heat, they will shrink, and then all of them will fit nicely in this pan. This is one medium-sized zucchini. I know we all have a lot of zucchini from our garden for the summer. This will work with frozen zucchini as well. And I also do this with the freeze-dried zucchini, which comes in pretty good-sized pieces about that. They're kind of like chunks. Amazing to do. I'll have to show you guys that one. You do it the same way, exact same way as I'm doing it. You do not have to refresh it first. This is all you would do. Not all freeze-dried food needs to be refreshed, like in water or broth first. All you need to do is saute it. But we'll be going more into detail about that pretty soon. So I'm going to wait until this heats up. And like I said, this is olive oil, so you don't want to burn your olive oil. I'm going to get my garlic out of the refrigerator. We're going to add some garlic to this. Okay, but first, we are going to add some pepper. And I'm only going to season the one side. I like a lot of pepper. I love this pepper. It's my favorite pepper. We have bottles of this stuff, and it's on sale right now on my website, which is in the description box if you guys have not yet seen that. And this is on my Thrive Life website, which is also in the description box. I know many of you guys are my Thrive Life, some of you are consultants, but many of you are also my customers. And then we're going to add some dill to that. Not adding any salt. And we're just going to let that saute. I'm going to get some garlic out of the refrigerator and add that. Actually, you know, I think I'll add some of my garlic powder instead. Okay, this is what they look like. They all fit really nicely now. They're shrinking in the pan as they cook, and they are sauteing, and I've turned the gas up just a little bit. These are so good, you guys. So good. Just let them saute and heat, and they'll get kind of that grilled look on the bottom. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so here you see them sauteing. The idea is to pretty much cook them on the one side and then turn them over and just finish them up. So let's see what they look like. You can see those grill marks on that. That's what we're looking for, and it's pretty much done. There we go. That's what you're looking for your zucchini. You don't want them to get too soft. I'm just going to start turning these over as I can, saute on the other side, and then I'll show you what we do. Okay, so this is what they look like when they're almost done. These over here I had to move to a different place. So this is the healthy fried zucchini because it's not fried in any batter or anything like that, just in olive oil, just kind of sauteed, left to simmer. Super, super easy and delicious. Let's finish these up right here, and then we'll be done. And there we have it, you guys. So this is going to be our side dish for the chicken. You'll see the picture of our meal in my community page. And if you have any questions, just let me know. The word of the day is going to be zucchini, so comment the word of the day. Make sure that you're subscribed and like the video, and you will be entered to win some of my Italian seasoning. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to comment the word of the day and subscribe.